the various documents that have been captured, the heavy equipment, the heavy weapons, small arms and ammunition, as also large number of bodies of Pak Army soldiers clearly prove that the operations were being conducted by Pak Army regulars. This puts an end to the Pak Army white lies that it were the Mujahideen that were involved and not the Pak regulars.
हमारी जमीन पर पड़ोसी ने कब्जा किया, क्यों किया अभी तक ये साफ नहीं है। वो कहते हैं कि हमने कश्मीर की ओर दुनिया का ध्यान खींचने के लिए किया। शिमला समझौते में कश्मीर पर बातचीत करने का तो भारत ने पहले से स्वीकार किया हुआ है, बातचीत हो भी रही थी। लेकिन बातचीत भी चलती रहे और तोपें आग भी उगलती रहें, ऐसा नहीं हो सकता। तो हमने तोपों के मुहाने बंद कर दिए। वो अपनी मर्जी से जा रहे हैं, बहुत अच्छी बात है, वरना हम जाने का रास्ता बताने के लिए उन्हें तैयार हैं।
Yesterday's reconnaissance sorties during the day revealed small groups of enemy soldiers heading north towards the LOC. This is in the area which is north of Montodolo. They were heading north towards the LOC, whereas in the area which is north of Tiger Hill, close to the LOC, we have detected what appeared at first glance to be 2 or 3 tents amid some abandoned bunkers and other positions. The photographs are under analysis, and appropriate action would be taken subsequently if they did turn out to hold enemy positions.
That it was unprecedented and unheard of for bodies to be sent abroad in this fashion for the purposes of identification or verification, even before their nationality and military identity are established. If Pakistan doubts them, it is for their representatives to come and see the bodies. We have not yet received a response from Pakistan through the ICRC. It is very clear that Pakistan is fully aware of the identities of these bodies, but they do not wish to acknowledge this fact, as it would immediately expose their army's involvement in Kargil. Hence their reluctance to have the bodies identified in the usual manner. In this persistent and callous refusal to do so, they are doing great disservice to the families of the soldiers and to the tradition of the armed forces anywhere in the world.
It is likely that those bodies are of Pakistani officers. On the other hand, it is possible that they are not. But the identification part can take place later. The foremost humanitarian aspect to that, the humanitarian part of that, this episode is that those bodies, we have asked them to give them back to us. But first of all, as I told you, it all started because they asked us to accept those bodies. And when we said, fine, let us have those bodies, they've started playing games. We also approached the ICRC yesterday to assist in this process. Once we ran into these game-playing difficulties. And even today, we have been in touch with the ICRC. Yesterday, the Indians would not even talk to the ICRC. Today, they are making demands on the ICRC that they should ask Pakistan to say in a formal note that these are Pakistani officials and hence they should be returned to us.